For a quick and delicious lunch filled with flavor, my Crab Rangoon Grilled Cheese will satisfy all your cravings. In a large bowl, combine your softened cream cheese with garlic powder, sweet chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and blend everything until smooth with a hand blender. Add in the imitation crab, then use the hand blender to break it apart in the cream cheese mixture. Add the grated mozzarella cheese and a finely chopped green onion, and use a spatula to fold those ingredients in. Spread softened butter on the outside of the bread slices, then spread your Crab Rangoon filling on the inside of 3 slices and place them on the griddle. Place the other bread slices on top and grill the grilled cheeses until nice and golden brown on both sides. And just like that, you're ready to serve these amazing Crab Rangoon grilled cheeses. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.